Alright, so in this video we're going to show you how to set up a Google Hangout lower third. As you can see, that's me peeking out there behind the screen. We're doing a Hangout on air to show you how to do it. So let's start it. Alright, now what just happened, we're showing you how to set up a Google lower third, is the Google Hangout Toolbox automatically loaded. This is what we want. So this little thing right here, that is what we want. So how did I get it to Autoload? How did I set it up and everything? First, we're gonna head over to here. We're gonna need the Google Hangout Toolbox. So the way we can get that is go right here, go to Add Apps. Now it should come up for you in the featured section. Right here, Hangout Toolbox, that's the one we want. There aren't too many apps, should be pretty easy to find. So install that Google Hangout Toolbox and then make sure you click it, and then you have this right here to the right. Now you can see here we have a few different options. So this is how you change your lower third. Pretty easy. You can enter different text, and then if you turn it on and off, it'll refresh. So I normally do name up top, a URL down low. Maybe if you're doing a product or something of that sort, you put your name and then the product below. We can choose a custom color by clicking here, and we can enter the color below if you have the color number. And we can also upload we can change the logo. So right now I just have my face, and we can do a custom upload. So we can upload our own lower third and use that. I had a little bit of trouble when I was uploading my own lower third, admittedly. And we also have these saved presets, so we can easily save a preset. The reason we want to do that, maybe you have a weekly podcast, but then you also have a blog. So when you're doing the podcast, you kind of want the name of the podcast below. When you're doing the blog, maybe you want the blog name below. So if you're doing something like that, you can save these different presets, so then you can easily load them up or not. And the last thing we want to do is head on over here to this little cogwheel and the settings section. So we want to enable Autoload, and we want to autoload the last used lower. The reason we want to do that, makes it really easy for us to have our Google Hangout lower third. We don't have to worry about it. We don't have to jump in here and edit stuff, especially if you're only using one and using the same one. Now you're going to have it every time. So that's how you set up a Google Hangout lower third. Very easy. I actually didn't set it up for a while because I thought there's more to the process than this. I mean, you can really get this set up and running in under 2 minutes, I'd say. So get that set up on your Google Hangouts. It's going to look good. All right, and now I'm going to end this Hangout and end this video.